In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export employee data from Gusto. If you need a simple way to download your employee information for record keeping, reporting, or sharing with your internal team, Gusto makes the process pretty straightforward. I'll walk you through it from start to finish so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, sign in to your Gusto administrator account. Make sure you're using an account with the right permissions, since access to reporting tools may depend on your admin role. Once you're logged in, give the dashboard a moment to fully load so all menu options are visible. Next, look over to the left-hand menu and click Reports. This is where Gusto stores the reporting tools you can use to review payroll, employee, and company data. After the Reports section opens, you'll be taken to the Reports library, where you can choose from different report types. From there, select Employee Summary. This report is typically the best option when you want to export a broad overview of employee data into a file you can work with outside of Gusto. It's designed to gather the employee information into a structured format, which is helpful for sorting, filtering, or importing into another system later. Once you're inside the Employee Summary report, choose a sort option. This lets you decide how the employee records will be organized in the export. For example, you may want them listed alphabetically or in another order that makes the file easier to review. Pick the option that best matches how you plan to use the data after downloading it. After that, go to the Report Format section and select CSV. CSV stands for comma-separated values, and it's one of the most useful file types for exported data because it can be opened in spreadsheet programs and used in many business tools. Choosing CSV will make your report more flexible if you need to edit, filter, or share the information. Now click Generate Report. Gusto will begin preparing the file based on the settings you selected. Depending on how much employee data is included, this may take a few moments, so just wait for the process to finish. When the report is ready, download the export. The file will usually save to your computer's default downloads folder unless your browser is set up differently. After the download is complete, open the CSV file to view and use your employee data. From there, you can review the information, organize it further, or save it for your records. Thanks for watching.